A Bangalore Mirror and Times Now team travels from Koramangala in South Bangalore to the Electronic City and finds that over 40,000 unsecure Wi-Fi networks in that area, are unsecure. And the big question really is, how safe are the Wi-Fi networks?
Bangalore, India's Silicon Valley. A city that runs on the internet. Every day, millions of emails are sent, transactions made and data transferred. But the big question is, how secure is the World Wide Web?
A Bangalore Mirror and a Times Now team travelled from Koramangala in South Bangalore to Electronic City, a software hub. And on a day the world celebrates 40 years of internet, we found out that 40,000 unsecured Wi-Fi networks are present in the city, and just 600 alone in the 12-kilometer stretch that we travelled.
Thousands of access points. Easy pickings for a terrorist with the right resources.
It's very easy to hack into any kind of thing. Any person who knows the intricacies of internet and all, with the help of laptop and small small antenna, they can do it. Then terrorists also can do it with evil intention.
Armed with a laptop and two wireless powerful antennas, we started the process of wall driving, the process of scanning into vulnerable Wi-Fi networks to crack their domain names.
The process a tedious one. First, a scan for unsecure Wi-Fi networks. Next, searching for open-air networks. And finally, a scan for networks with WEP or wired equivalent privacy-enabled networks, considered the weakest. Accompanying us are members of the Indian Cyber Army, a group of anti-hackers.
Our basic aim is to protect the end user, to securing themselves with the cyber threats, viruses, hacking, phishing and all kind of these attacks.
Once we scan the vulnerable Wi-Fi users, we crack the WEP key. Then we use the same WEP key to get the access point of the network provider. After getting the access, we then access the internet protocols through which we got access to internet. Finally, we sent out emails to the Karnataka police using the same hacked access point.
We are now going to have some sort of education to all the people who use wireless and say, look, these are the dangers that are available, that are lurking in a Wi-Fi environment, and if you are using your systems in a Wi-Fi environment, be wary.
There are some standard practices that are available by which you can prevent any of the computers which are not known to you from getting into your network.
To secure a Wi-Fi network, you must use strong encryption keys and user-based authentication. You must never use a default password for your network. And always disconnect your network when not in use. Simple steps that might prevent your internet network from becoming the gateway to cyber terror. With Neha Mehta in Bangalore, Dipankar Paul, Times Now.